To make a payment with Banco Sabadell personal loan, follow these steps. First, ensure you have your loan details and banking information readily available. You will need your loan account number and the amount you wish to pay. Next, log in to your Banco Sabadell online banking account. If you do not have online banking, you can enroll on the Banco Sabadell website or visit a local branch for assistance. Once logged in, navigate to the loan section of your account and select the personal loan you wish to make a payment on. Choose the payment method you prefer, which can be a transfer from a Banco Sabadell account or an external account. If you are using an external account, you will need the routing and account numbers for that account. Enter the payment amount and confirm the payment details. Review the payment information carefully to ensure everything is correct. It is essential to double-check the loan account number and payment amount to avoid any errors. Once you have verified the information, confirm the payment. After confirming the payment, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the payment has been processed. You can also verify the payment by checking your loan account balance, which will be updated to reflect the payment. It is crucial to keep a record of your payment, including the date and amount paid, for your personal records. Additionally, consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely payments and avoid late fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily make a payment on your Banco Sabadell personal loan. Remember to always review your payment information carefully and keep track of your payments to manage your loan effectively. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact Banco Sabadell customer service for assistance.